on this week's News Update. A project to replant trees in the Amazon rainforest. A team of scientists prepares for a remote mission. And San Diego Zoo welcomes some tiny new arrivals. First up, the Amazon rainforest in South America is home to some incredible animals. And that's not the only amazing thing about it. The trees here provide 20% of all the oxygen on our planet, which is why it's often called the lungs of the Earth. Unfortunately, large areas of the Amazon rainforest are being cut down. These images show areas where the rainforest has been cleared to make way for farmland. But conservationists are trying to tackle the problem. A new project aims to replace many of the trees that have been lost. This is called reforestation. The plan is to plant 73 million new trees by 2023. Next up, imagine spending months in one of the most isolated and freezing places on Earth. This is the Concordia Research Station in Antarctica. This harsh environment makes it a unique place to collect information on a range of subjects, from climate change to space travel. Every year, a new team of scientists arrives at the station, and the latest team has now been selected. This includes a medical doctor who will carry out experiments on the rest of the crew to test how they cope in these extreme conditions. It's hoped this information will help astronauts prepare for missions to other planets. And finally, it's Animal Watch. This is the moment a tiny crocodile hatched at San Diego Zoo in the USA. It's one of 8 baby crocodiles that recently hatched at the zoo. They're called West African dwarf crocodiles, the smallest species of crocodile in the world. In the wild, they usually live in the rainforest swamps of West Africa. All crocodiles are specially adapted to live in water and on land. They're cold-blooded animals, so they need to lie in the sun to warm up their bodies and return to water to cool down. These little ones are the first of their kind to hatch at San Diego Zoo, but visitors won't be able to see them until they're older and a bit bigger. That's all for this week. We'll see you next time.